Hi all, now we are explaining how to find out initial basic feasible solution by using Vogel approximation method. According to this Vogel approximation method, first of all we have to calculate or some additional calculation is also there. I will calculate the raw difference as well as column difference. Calculate the raw difference. Here we have 3 rows are here. We first row first row least value that is 1. The next least value is 3. Then 3 minus 1 is the raw difference here. That is the least value. Next least value next least value least value less here. That will be the raw difference of first row. Okay, so we have to write 3 minus 1, that is 2 here. Okay, and then second row 2, 6, 5, 9. Here 2 is the least value. Next least value is 5. Then 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Next row 8, 3, 3, 2. Here 2 is the least value. Next is 3. 3 minus 2, 1 is the raw difference. Okay. Like row difference, we have to calculate column difference as well. So each and every rows and columns, we have to calculate this column difference and raw differences. So raw differences we finish. Column difference we 3, 2, 8. Here 2 is the least value. Next least value is 3. So 1 is the column difference in this. And then second column 3 and 1. 2 is the column difference. Here also 5 and 3. 2 is the column difference. Here 4, 9, 2. 2 is the least and next least is 4. Then 2 is the column difference. And after this, we have to compare this raw difference and column difference to find out maximum value. Here maximum difference is 3. Okay, so we have to select third row. In order to select the cell from which we have to start allocation, we have to look at least value. Here in this row, least value is 2. So we have to allocate in this cell. Okay. So now we have to compare demand and supply. Demand is 250 here, supply is 300 here. So the minimum is 250. So allocate 250. Okay, then by allocating, here it becomes 0 and here it becomes 400 minus 250, that is equal to 150. Okay, and then this column have to be cancelled. And then next, for the maintaining part, we have to calculate the raw difference and column difference again. Raw difference here is least is 1 and next least is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. In the second column, next is next row difference 5, 6, then 1. Here 2 and 3, here 1. And column difference in the case 1, 6, 3, 1 and 3. So 2, here there is no column difference because that column is cancelled. And then 7, 5, 3, here is also 2. 4, 9, 2, here is also 2. So in this second phase, the maximum value of row difference is 3. So this row have to be selected. So in which cell we have to allocate? The least value cell we allocate. Allocate we have to compare 350 and 300 is here. Least is 300. Then here it becomes 0. Here it becomes 50. This row have to be cancelled. Then next is 6, 5, 9, 3, 3, 2 is there. Then we have to calculate again raw difference. 6 and 5 raw difference is this. Here this raw is cancelled, so there is no raw difference. And then for this 3, 3, 2, 3 minus 2, next raw difference is 1. And column difference 6 minus 3, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 9 minus 2, 7. So here maximum is 7. So we have to select this column, and here in this column least value is 2. Okay, we have to allocate here. So look at this, 200 is the demand, 500 is supply. So allocate 200. Here it becomes 0, here it becomes 300. So this column cancelled. Then the remaining is 6, 5, 3, 3, and in this we have to calculate row difference, column difference first. 3, 5 minus 3, 2, here 6 minus 5, 1, and here 3 minus 3, 0, here maximum is 3. Okay, then 3 ആവുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ കോളമാണ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അതിൽ ലീസ്റ്റ് വാല്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3. So here we have to allocate. Here 50 is the demand and the supply is 300. So allocate 50. Then it becomes 0. It becomes 250. So here it is becoming 0. So this column is cancelled. Okay. Next only one column is left. So here we have to select the least column. We have to allocate. Here it is 400. Here the least value is 250. So we have to allocate 250 here. Demand is 400. So 250 becomes 0. And 400 is becoming 150. Here only one value remains, that is 5. So allocate in that. It is 150 demand and 150 supply, and allocate 150. Here demand is cancelled as well as supply is cancelled. It is becoming 0. Then we have to find out initial basic feasible solution. Find out total transportation cost, that is equal to 300 into 1, 250 into 2, 150 into 5, 50 into 3, 250 into 3, 200 into 2. So here transportation cost equal to 300 into 1 plus 250 into 2 plus 150 into 5 plus 50 into 3 plus 250 into 3 plus 200 into 2. 300 plus 500 plus 750 plus 150 plus 750 plus 400. Total value is 2850. This is the way for calculating initial basic feasible solution by Vogel approximation method or VAM. Thank you.